The centre has recently informed Delhi High Court orally that the accidental firing of the Brahmos combat missile into the Pakistan's territory in March last year has embarrassed India before the international community and could have led to a warlike situation between the two neighbouring countries. It is the first time the centre has stated anything about the Brahmos misfire. Additional Solicitor General Chetan Sharma told the same to Delhi High Court when a plea was filed by Wing Commander Abhinav Sharma, who has challenged the Indian Air Force decision to dismiss him and two others for gross negligence which led to the accidental firing.